Welcome to my channel. This is another one of my Sunday dinner recipes, and today we doing yum yum chicken. Basically juicy, flavored, seasoned well chicken thighs. And the ingredients for this recipe will be smoked paprika, the blend seasoning, again one of my favorites, white pepper, garlic powder, minced garlic, some garlic and herb butter, another one of my favorites, half onion, thyme, yellow, red, and orange peppers, some sesame oil, and of course, some chicken thighs. Okay, now let's prep the chicken. I know some people don't do it, but it's always best to clean your chicken before you use it. I use a little bit of lemon and a little bit of vinegar, run some water in it, swish it around, rinse it a couple times, let the water run clear, dry it off, and you're good to go. So once I get it all cleaned and dried, I chop it up into little bite-sized pieces, and then I'm good to go. Now let's add the seasoning. First things first, I put a little bit of extra virgin olive oil for my binder, and I just mix it all around, make sure it's everything evenly coated so we can adhere to the seasonings. So garlic powder, white pepper, the blend seasoning, and smoked paprika. And I mix it all around, give it a good mix. Gotta use your hands. And once I get it all mixed up, it should be completely covered like this. When it look like it's seasoning, it's going to taste like it's seasoning. Don't half it. Now it's time to cut up the fresh stuff. So I slice the peppers, slice the onion, good to go. Now let's cook. You know how I do. First I use the garlic and herb butter, I spray it around with my hand. Get the pan nice and coated. It's on medium heat, by the way. I go ahead and put in a little bit of sesame oil. Then I added a little bit of fresh garlic, but minced garlic is still fine. Pan tried to get away from me a little bit.
Stupid.
Then I go ahead and add the chicken thighs. This is an easy cook, by the way. And you can make this with any side you want, but this is just basically a nice little chicken recipe that I love. Definitely one of my weekly favorites. And once I get it all in the pan, just spread it evenly around and make sure it's evenly distributed through the pan, and I cover it up. And I let it cook. After a couple minutes or so, it should look like this. Basically, it creates its own juices, which I love. It's like chicken thighs are just like the most tender meat versus chicken breast. So now I go ahead and I add in the thyme. Break it up, spread it around. Thyme is a good seasoning. Better if it's fresh. Now go ahead and add in the onions. Add in the peppers. Stir it around a little bit so get everything infused together, and it's looking good and it's definitely smelling good. Give it a good mix and I let it cook. Give it a couple minutes, at least until all of the juice is basically cooked out. And there you have it. Yum yum, juicy chicken. Man, it gets no easier and no better than that. And again, you can add this with whatever your good sides are, vegetables, rice, anything.